Welcome to Mrs.Sa's Tips and Tricks, and today we're going to make how to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. It's really quick, it's really easy, and we're also going to learn how to whisk an egg at the same time. So let's go! Okay, so what you're going to need for this is you're going to need 2 eggs. We're going to make with 2 eggs and a little bit of salt. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack the egg. There is a video up on how to do it. You're going to take your egg, find the crack, and we're going to pull, not push, in the egg. Pull and drop. Crack the other leg. Pull, 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 pull. Drop. Okay, now we're going to take our fork, and this is where we're going to learn how to whisk. And when you want to whisk, you're just taking the fork, it's going to go really fast, and we're going to go in circles. So you take the fork, and we're going to go in circles, and we're going to end up just going really, really fast. So you hold the bowl and the tilt a little bit. Usually I like to poke the egg, and then I just go. And this helps the eggs mix, the yolk and the whites mix together, and then it helps it get kind of fluffy. Keep going until it kind of gets a little bit lighter in color. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch. Don't need much. I'm going to do a quick whisk again. Okay, now we're going to go take it to the microwave. Okay, we put it in the microwave. We close the door. And with the adult help, we're going to put it up to 30 seconds. So my microwave has a dial that I have to use. So I'm just going to go up to 30. And then we're going to stop and we're going to check it. Okay, and here we go. See? Maybe we can see. It's going to change. Okay. Okay, let's take a look and let's see. Oh, it's a little bit runny, so I'm going to stir it. And we're going to do it another 30 seconds. So you're going to do it in increments of 30. Again. Oh, I can see it's fluffy. Okay, let's take another look. Look inside. Perfect. Let's take it out. Take it over here. I'm going to get a fork. Oh. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's perfect. So you can just kind of just fluff it out a little bit, and it's ready to go. Okay, and this is really great actually. My niece actually told me that she told all her friends in her dorm when she was in university, and this was like the biggest thing for everybody there. They just love this trick. So anyway, I hope you try it out at home with adults' help, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye!